Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesura Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Libra for the first week of the August. Okay, so before starting the reading Libra, those who are interested in personal readings, then you just can contact me through my email ID, which is already there in the description below. Okay, so Libra, in this reading I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the video pulling some final advice. Okay, in the recent past we have the Wheel of Fortune, Page of Pentacles, the Sun. In the present we have the King of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Temperance. In the future we have the Three of Wands, Five of Wands, Nine of Wands. Okay, so the challenge for the week Libra is the Six of Pentacles. Challenge for the week, I feel there is balance you needed to do in your situation or in your lifestyle. There, it's kind of asking you need to have some balance. I feel there is something is going out of balance, or there is something where you have to put your efforts. It's kind of remembering for you, maybe in a business, or it could be in a relationship. Many of you, I feel Libra, this is related to your future goals, where maybe you have to concentrate more and where there's a need for you to put some extra practical efforts in it. Okay, I'm going to clarify why. In the recent past, there's a Wheel of Fortune, Page of Pentacles, Sun. There was an opportunity given for you from a person, I feel. Could be Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. This person offered you something big, okay, in the recent past. It kind of changed your life. It's totally changed your fate, I should say. It changed your luck. The opportunity, whatever that person gave you, brought you happiness, brought you the real happiness in your life. I'm going to clarify what is all about. In the present, there's a King of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Temperance. So there's a person coming here. Could be a same person from the past. This person is kind of giving you stressful situation, or creating a stressful situation in the present for you Libra, where you I feel this is your energy, Ten of Wands. You're feeling stressed. Whatever this person, could be this person is going through some sort of stressful situation. They're here to creating some tension environment in the present situation, because they need some balance in their life. They need to bring some balance. That's why this person is here. Okay, they want to analyze something with you, I feel, Libra. Okay, in the future there's a Three of Wands, Five of Wands, Nine of Wands. Definitely there's a big thing is coming for you Libra in the future, where you have to concentrate about your goals, about your career. Could be, maybe I'm really getting this could be a career reading for many of you, where it's kind of asking you to really concentrate in your future, because there's a competition around you. If you don't know about it, yes, there is some energies around you Libra, where it's kind of fighting in order to people are surrounding you. It's kind of not a supporting environment. I'm getting a feeling like that. It's not a kind of supporting environment around you, where you are going through some painful situation, or you're kind of learning lessons. Maybe some people, some energies are making you to some in order to learn some lessons, in order to move very well in your future. I'm going to clarify first the challenge for the week Libra, the Six of Pentacles. It's kind of asking you to work towards a situation, or you have to start practically work on a situation. I'm going to clarify why Six of Pentacles is here for Libra. Six of Pentacles is clarified with the Ace of Cups, the Two of Wands, Six of Wands. Many of you, there could be a emotional connection coming your way. Someone could be offering, or you are getting into this person. The challenge is maybe you are least bothered, or you're kind of not taking any decision about this person. It's kind of asking you to take some decision about this emotional connection which is coming your way in the future, Libra. So whatever this is, something fresh, something new, proposals could be coming your way. Maybe you are really not interested to take any decision, or your concentration is kind of another way or different side. You have to identify this person, this offer, whatever it is. It's going to bring you a happiness in your life. It's going to get you some recognition. It's going to make you feel so happy. So I guess Libra, you need to identify and take some decision. It's kind of you are standing between two. Maybe you have considered this person, considered this offer, but you haven't really taken any decision regarding it. That's what I'm getting. Okay, I'm gonna clarify. In the recent past, there's a Wheel of Fortune. There's the Page of Pentacles, a Sun. I'm gonna clarify the Wheel of Fortune in the recent past for you, Libra. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Knight of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. Yes, I feel that opportunity came into your life very fast. It's maybe could be you've been dealing with air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, another maybe Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. I see you just took that opportunity and recklessly worked towards it, or everything went on very well for you, Libra, in the recent past. There was an opportunity given for you where you started to work on yourself, or maybe there was self-improvement. That's what the changes happened. Many of you, there was an opportunity maybe related to your career where you got an opportunity to work on yourself. Just consider your own happiness, maybe consider your own needings. Whatever it is, it brought a lot of happiness in the recent past. Whatever that person offered you actually brought happiness into your life. Okay, I'm going to clarify the Page of Pentacles for you about this person in the recent past. Page of Pentacles is clarified with the 10 of Wands, a 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles. Yes, this person was going through some sort of stressful situation. Maybe this person was really feeling so regretted. This person was regretting in the past. This person really didn't express you the way they feel about you, or this person kept all their feelings for themselves. I felt this person actually gave an opportunity in the recent past, brought a lot of happiness in your life in the past. In the present, there's the King of Pentacles, there's the 10 of Wands, the Temperance. I'm going to clarify the King of Pentacles for you, Libra, what this person is coming your way. Could be a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. This person is offering for many of you something stable, something potential, because this person could be from the past. Yeah, this person worked out on themselves. This person really wanted to end a stressful situation and start something with you, or end a stressful situation or a negative situations with you. That's why this person is here. The King of Pentacles is clarified with the 10 of Swords, Queen of Wands, the Magician. I really feel you could be dealing with Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, fire sign, but Aries stands out here for you, Libra. Yeah, this person sense that even maybe you are going through some painful situation in the present. This person, whatever they're offering you, Libra, it's going to end you the painful situation. Many of you want this person in your life. Many of you, I feel they could be manifesting this person in the present moment, or someone is manifesting here. I feel this is you, Libra, because you are going through a lot of pain. So you kind of want this person in your life, and many of you, this person is coming here. They just want to end the stressful situation in the present. I'm going to clarify the Temperance. Someone is kind of balancing every situation, analyzing the situation. The Temperance is clarified by the 2 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, 8 of Wands. Okay, So Libra, whoever the person is coming your way is going to end the painful situation. There's a new cycle. There's a many of you. There's a chances of new cycle growing with this person in the present situation. It's going to end. I feel it's going to end the stressful situation for you as well as to this person. Okay, many of you are deciding. Maybe could be your person is deciding in the present situation. Because they really want to come out of that stressful position or the weak position where they are in the present situation, or because they see you being suffering and they know they are too going through a hell negative phase in their life. They just want to align everything together now. The situation wasn't well in the past. The situation could have been very difficult for you both. I'm getting mutual here. You're going through pain, that person is also. They want to bring everything together. They really want to work in the situation because they don't really want to leave you behind and just have some more responsibilities. Or I am really getting here, this person is working on themselves, or this person is giving a lot in the present situation. They could be expecting the same thing from you. There's a challenge, you remember. In the future, there's a 3 of Wands, a 5 of Wands, 9 of Wands. I'm going to clarify 5 of Wands because I really feel there is a fight going on between you and the other person. I'm going to clarify why. The 5 of Wands is clarified with the Hierophant, 2 of Cups, Page of Swords. This person could be a fire sign stands out here for your Libra. This person is waiting for you. With the 3 of Wands, definitely I feel this person is waiting for you in the future, whoever this is, because they want some commitment. There was a fight happened. Maybe there's a fight still going on for many of you Libra in the present situation. This person is fighting for you. This person is not ready to give up because they really want some commitment. They really feel, yeah, I belong to this person or this person belongs to me. They really feel there's a strong connection between you guys. They really feel it. They want to have some serious commitment with you, Libra. That's why this person is spying on you. This person is really spying what this Libra is looking at, what this Libra is going through. This could be you spying on that person in the future, in the recent future. Someone is learning with the 9 of Wands. I'm definitely feeling someone went through some painful situation. They learned a lesson. I'm going to clarify why is this 9 of Wands here. The 9 of Wands is clarified by the 7 of Cups, the 2 of Swords, 8 of Pentacles. Maybe there was a situation between you people where both of you equally went through painful situation. Both of you actually went through, means it's kind of wounded in your heart. Okay, the fight wounded deep inside for many of you Libra. That's why you kind of closed off from this person. Maybe you blocked this person. In the future you're going to block because you blocked this person. I feel you're being so confused about this person. Maybe you are thinking about something else. You're thinking about your other options. Why should I have to? Or you kind of having confusion situation. You kind of blocked this person. I feel that's why you blocked, or you're spying on them. Though you blocked, but still your heart lies with them, right? So the thing is, you just want to work out the situation with this person. You just don't want to have any more painful situation. This could be your person. They don't want to experience any painful situation no more. They just want to get you. They just want to work out the situation between you guys because they're really waiting for you with the 3 of Wands. Definitely Libra. Okay, that was very clear. So that's the challenge is all about. You have to take some decision about this person. Because someone is feeling they're giving too much and the other side I'm not getting. I feel this is your person who is kind of feeling, yeah, I'm taking a lot of responsibilities. On the other side, Libra is not. So advice here, Libra, is emotions are running high. Could be the reason for many of you that you're being so stressed, you're being so confused about your emotions. You really don't know what's exactly going on. Maybe you're busy with your career. Maybe you don't know there's emotions, high flow of emotions. It usually happens when, I don't know, when there's a transition which really affects you. When it happens sometimes, but yeah, maybe you have to control your emotions about particular decision and try to balance it in your life. That is all I have for you, Libra people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.